Thinking about buying a 4K drone in 2026? Then you're in the right place, because not all drones are created equal. Some offer incredible cinematic footage, while others focus on speed, portability, or smart features like auto tracking and obstacle avoidance. But here's the problem. With so many options out there, it's easy to end up wasting money on the wrong drone. That's why in this video, we've done the research for you. We're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones you can buy in 2026 based on performance, camera quality, flight time, and overall value. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or someone looking for professional-level aerial shots, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Professional 4K drone with 3-axis gimbal and smart controller. The professional drone with 4K video, 3-axis gimbal, 8K camera, and smart controller is a feature-packed drone designed for serious aerial photography. It includes a built-in 7.2-inch HD touchscreen controller, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. This drone stands out because of its all-in-one controller with a built-in screen, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, cinematic footage even in windy conditions. The long-range transmission and GPS system provides stable control, while features like airdrop and obstacle avoidance make it both fun and practical. With 3 batteries included, you get extended flight sessions without frequent charging. Pros: built-in touchscreen controller, smooth 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, long flight time with 3 batteries, strong GPS and range performance. A powerful all-in-one drone for users who want professional features without extra accessories. Number 2. Bingchat 2026 upgraded 4K drone with tablet remote and 360 obstacle avoidance. The Bingchat 2026 upgraded 4K drone with tablet remote and 360 obstacle avoidance offers up to 5 miles of range, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and advanced features like payload release, follow me mode, and time-lapse shooting. This drone is built for versatility. Whether you're filming, exploring, or even using payload release for outdoor tasks, it handles it all. The long flight time, up to 84 minutes with 2 batteries, is a big advantage. It also performs well in windy and light rainy conditions, making it suitable for outdoor adventures. Pros: up to 5-mile transmission range, long flight time, versatile features like payload release, strong wind resistance, and advanced tracking modes. A feature-rich drone ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and advanced users. Number 3. HOVERAir X1 PROMAX Flying Camera. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K action flying camera is a compact foldable drone designed for portability and automation. It features 8K recording, AI-powered flight modes, and high-speed follow tracking. This drone is all about simplicity and portability. It can take off from your palm and follow you automatically, making it perfect for vloggers and travelers. With multiple automatic flight modes, you don't need advanced piloting skills. The footage quality is impressive for such a compact device, and its tracking performance is reliable even at higher speeds. Pros: ultra-portable and foldable, easy to use with auto flight modes, great for vlogging and travel, fast and responsive tracking. Perfect for beginners, vloggers, and anyone who wants a smart, pocket-sized flying camera. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo 4K drone is a lightweight drone under 249 grams, featuring 4K video, 8K photos, 10-kilometer transmission range, and AI tracking. This drone hits the sweet spot between portability and performance. Because it's under 249 grams, it's easier to carry and may avoid strict regulations in many regions. It delivers smooth 4K video with a 3-axis gimbal and includes features like vertical shooting for social media and AI night shots. The 96-minute total flight time with multiple batteries is impressive. Pros: ultra lightweight and portable, excellent transmission range, great battery life, AI tracking, and night shooting. Perfect for travel. A great all-rounder for travelers and content creators who want performance in a compact size. Number 5. Contixo F33 Professional 4K Drone. The Contixo F33 Professional Drone 4K Camera GPS features a 4K camera, GPS positioning, 2-axis gimbal with EIS, and a touchscreen remote controller. The Contixo F33 is a solid entry-level professional drone. It offers stable GPS flight, decent camera quality, and useful features like obstacle avoidance and tracking. While it uses a 2-axis gimbal instead of a 3-axis system, the electronic stabilization helps smooth out footage. It's a good option for beginners who want advanced features at a reasonable price. Pros: affordable price point, touchscreen remote included, good GPS stability, decent camera quality, easy to use. A great beginner-friendly drone with solid features for the price. So, that was our list of the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026. If you want premium performance, go for the first option. For portability, the HOVERAir and Potensic are excellent, and if you're just starting out, the Contixo F33 is a great choice.